This kind of question falls under the multiplication of sets. So when we are multiplying sets, like we previously saw in our lesson, root 8 times root 5 will be equal to root of 8 by 5, which will now be equal to root 40. So this root 40 needs to be broken down by selecting or finding your perfect square number from it. That is root 40. I can have root 4 by root 10, such that root 4 is 2 by root 10. So I would be having 2 root 10 from what I was given. What if I have number 2? That is root 18 by 3 root 20. Root 18 by 3 root 20 I should be having the root 18 will be root 9 by root 2 times 3 times the root 20. I should be having root 4 by root 5, such that root 9 is 3 by root 2 by 3 root 4 is 2 by root 5. So at this point I have 3 root 2 by 6 root 5. So I multiply the ones in front, which is 3 by 6. Then I multiply the sets, which is 2 by 5. So 3 6 is 18. Then root 2 times root 5 gives us root 10. Therefore the final answer is 18 root 10. Number 3. Root 3 minus 1 multiplying 2 minus root 3. With this such a problem, we need to use the method of multiplication of binomials, where the first number, which is root 3, multiplies the entire bracket of the second one. Then the negative 1 also multiplies the entire bracket. So root 3 by 2 will give me 2 root 3 minus root 3 times root 3 will result in 3, because the property of sets says that the root of a number times itself will result in the number without the root sign. So negative 1 times 2 is negative 2. Negative 1 times negative root 3 will result in positive root 3. So in grouping like terms, I have 2 root 3 plus root 3 minus 3 minus 2, and 2 root 3 plus root 3, which is something like 2x plus x, will give us 3x. So 2 root 3 plus root 3 gives us 3 root 3 Then negative 3, negative 2 result in negative 5. Number 4. Root 20 times into brackets root 5 cube. So with the root 20, we would have root 4 by root 5. And root 5 cube means root 5 times root 5 times root 5. That is root 5 multiplying itself 3 times. So this is the root 5 cube and this is the root 20. Now root 4 is 2 by root 5 times root 5. From our previous lesson, realize that root 5 by root 5 is 5. By root 5 by root 5 again is also 5. So 2, 5, 10. 10, 5, 50. Because root of a number times itself is the number without the root. So root 5 times root 5 is 5. Root 5 times root 5 is also 5.